एस अहमद। ये पीएमटी कॉलेज में ये अमेरिकन यूनिवर्सिटी जो है बारबेडोस है, ये मेडिकल के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो है ये एक मेडिकल गेम जो लाइव गेम है, जिससे आपकी पढ़ाई में एक इंटरेस्ट हो, पढ़ने का एक होता नहीं, एक ट्रेडिशनल पढ़ाई से हट के जो है हम मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल करते हुए गेम के जरिए पढ़ाएं, जिसमें हमें पढ़ाई के दौरान कोई थकान न लगे और एनर्जेटिक हमेशा बने रहें। तो ऐसी कुछ कोशिश की है ये इस अमेरिकन यूनिवर्सिटी बारबेडोस ने, जो ये फ्रेंचाइजी है एरा मेडिकल कॉलेज से इनका कोलेबोरेशन है कुछ। तो ये आपके सामने कुछ प्रेजेंट करेंगे, क्या करेंगे अभी आप बेहतर जानेंगे। और इससे बेहतर एक सॉफ्टवेयर भी आपके लिए डेवलप किया जा रहा है, हो गया है ऑलमोस्ट। कि जनरली ये होता है कि बच्चे क्वेश्चंस करते हैं, जैसे सब ऑनलाइन टेस्ट होता है, तो ऑनलाइन टेस्ट में आपने कोई क्वेश्चन खोला और आपने उसका आंसर दिया, नहीं आया तो उसको छोड़ दिया, नहीं आया तो उसको छोड़ दिया, आप अपने आंसर सबमिट करते गए, लास्ट में आपने रिजल्ट देख लिया कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है। मैंने एक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप करवाया है, नेक्स्ट मंथ से आप उस पर प्रैक्टिस करने लगेंगे। जैसे सपोज़ कीजिए एक क्वेश्चन आया आपका और उसके बारे में आपको कोई आइडिया नहीं है। सपोज़ कीजिए आप बिलो एवरेज स्टूडेंट्स हैं, क्वेश्चन देखा और कुछ नहीं आया, तो उसमें एक ऑप्शन रहेगा हिंट 1। तो जब आप हिंट 1 प्रेस करेंगे तो वहाँ आ जाएगा दिस क्वेश्चन इज़ बेस्ड ऑन न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ। अब अगर आप एवरेज स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो आप न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ को फोकस करके उस क्वेश्चन का जवाब दे लेंगे। सपोज़ कीजिए आपको न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं है, तो आप हिंट 2 प्रेस करेंगे। जब हिंट 2 प्रेस करेंगे तो न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ और उससे रिलेटेड जो एप्लीकेशंस हैं कुछ एग्जांपल्स आ जाएंगे। अब उस पर चूँकि आपको न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ सभी पता चल गया, अब उसके बिहाफ पे आप क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने की कोशिश करेंगे। इन केस आप बिलो एवरेज हैं, यानी आपको उसके बाद से भी आंसर नहीं पता चल रहा है, तो आप हिंट 3 जब पुश करेंगे तो उस क्वेश्चंस का पूरा सलूशन स्टेप वाइज, बहुत सी ऐसी बुक्स मौजूद हैं जिसमें आंसर्स का सलूशन दिया हुआ है, लेकिन सलूशन इतने शॉर्टकट में दिया गया है कि उसको क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं पाता बच्चा कि कैसे ये आंसर आ गया। तो पूरा कंप्लीट सलूशन उसका आएगा जो नेक्स्ट मंथ से आप आएगा। अभी फ़िलहाल तो ये आपके साथ ने जो हैं आपको बताएंगे, ये लाइव गेम जो है ये लाइव चल रहा है।
Yeah, good afternoon all of you. Yeah, this is Avinash and I'm behalf of American University of Barbados, which is an associate concern of ERA Medical University, Lucknow. Okay, I'm here. The objective of this seminar actually is to present in front of you the medical games. What is this actually? It is just an initiative to make you connect with almost a real life environment which actually doctors are facing. In this game, you have to play yourself as a player, as just like a normal game. But the objective of this game is not to play or shoot something or to build something. You have to participate just like a doctor. Okay, in front of you there are some certain number of cases will come, and whatever you have learned in your semester or in years, you have to put your not only common sense, even knowledge and presence of mind. It is a very model and latest and advanced technology nowadays, okay, because in some of the rural areas actually doctors are not present. So by this game we can have a little bit of approximately ideas in some critical conditions which actually they are facing still nowadays. Okay, the best part of that, we have not purchased this game from anywhere. It has been developed by our own gaming company with the name of Trueform. Trueform. It is a part of ERA group of companies. Even American University Barbados is the associate concern of American ERA's Medical University also. Okay. So to better understanding, I would like to call you Mr. Fazli on stage. He will let you know how to play the game. Okay, just one thing, just Arpa. This is the feedback form. You have to fill your name along with your details, and here is the blank areas are there. Okay, you have to put your remark कि आप लोग ने जो गेम खेला, जो भी आप लोगों ने इससे अपने कनेक्ट किया, कैसा लगा, क्या इसमें और बेहतर चीज़ें हो सकती है. जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ रिव्यू विच इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल. आप लोगों के सामने आपके डायरेक्टर सर मिस्टर एस अहमद साहब ने आप लोगों के लिए काम करवाने के लिए हम लोगों को एक इनिशिएटिव लिया, जो कि एक बहुत अच्छी और मैं थैंक्स बोलना चाहूँगा सर आपको भी। तो आरफा, आप ये आपके टेबल पे आप लोगों को ये फॉर्म मिल जाएगा। आप पहले इस गेम के प्रेजेंटेशन को देखो, देखने के बाद उनमें से आप लोगों में से दो जो भी भाई इंटरेस्टेड है उसको खेलने के लिए, वो 2 मिनट के लिए आके इस पे एक जस्ट प्रैक्टिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्टरी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आप इसको खेल सकते हो। और बाकी जो जिन लोगों ने भी इसको देखा है वो अपना इस पर रिव्यू डाल सकते हो, ठीक है। एक्चुअली दिस एजुकेशन मेथोडोलॉजी वी हैव ऑलरेडी इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन आवर एजुकेशन मॉड्यूल। हम ये चीज़ अपने एजुकेशन में ऑलरेडी इम्प्लीमेंटेड कर चुके हैं, और हमारे बच्चे ये इस बाय दिस टेक्नोलॉजी दे आर यूजिंग देयर स्किल्स, नॉलेज एंड एवरीथिंग। ये थोड़ा हेल्पफुल होता है क्योंकि बच्चा इससे अपने आप को रियल लाइफ इन्वायरमेंट से कनेक्ट कर पाता है, ठीक है। तो सर प्लीज़, थैंक यू।
So, good afternoon. So this is, can you join the game? So basically this game is a medical simulation game. How many of you are gamers first? I wanted to I just want to know. How many of you play games? कितने लोग games खेलते हैं? Just raise your hands. Wow, just 2 or 3 of you. Anyways, so what we have done is we have developed a medical simulation game. So इसमें क्या होगा कि you join as a fresher in this game, and what you can do is you can groom your own characters. You can see in the window over here, you can groom your character. You can choose any ethnicity you want, any character, female, male, anything you want. So after making your character, finalizing your character, will done with it, will spawn in the game's environment. So what the game environment is, it's a medical campus, it's a medical city, okay. So in this medical city, you have a hospital, you have a college, you have other amenities also, like you have a virtual mall where you can purchase things which will be needed during the gameplay. And gameplay, when I say gameplay, it means the game time which you spend while playing the game, okay. So you start the game as a fresher, as a student, and then slowly and steadily as you spend more and more time in the game, you become senior, junior, and then senior, and then end up in becoming a scholar in the game. So that's how the game progresses. So for example, when you spawn in the game, I'll just wait for the game to load and then I'll begin with my speech. So that's okay. By the way, this game supports the internet. So basically what you need is an average laptop with at least 4 GB of RAM, basic graphic card, and an internet connection, and you can play this game with your friends anywhere in the world. Say suppose if you are sitting in Lucknow and your friend is sitting in Australia or in USA, you can log into the game via the internet, and you can join the game and play with him or her. You can chat with him. So this is the game's environment, as you can see. So this is the medical city. This is your character, where you basically start the game, and this is the whole environment. You can see there are many characters also, in which in gaming language we call it NPCs. So NPCs means non-playable characters. So what they do is they are in the game. So what they do is you just approach to them, and when you basically using your mouse, you click on them, they have certain queries. They'll ask, for example, doctor, where am I taking the iron tablets? I have constipation next day, should I stop taking it? So it's a question, being a general guy, he's asking you. So within the time limit, you have certain guidelines, certain answers which you need to give it to him. So if you give the correct answer, then you will score up. If you don't, then this guy will just go off, and then it will come again later on. So you have a chance to answer this or beat this question later on also, but at that particular time it will just went off. So there is a particular scoring system in the game, as you can see on this menu, which is in a DNA shape. So basically there are 4 lines which intersect each other. So these 4 lines basically means physical, mental, social, and spiritual. So your scoring in the game depends on mental points, physical points, spiritual points, and social points. So how do you earn these points? So this entire medical environment, as I told you, consists of medical hospital, campus, a college, and other amenities also. So while helping these NPCs, these characters, if you are able to solve their queries successfully, then you earn certain amount of social points and spiritual points. And while you play mini games, so mini game consists of basic medical scenarios, like there would be a patient who will ask, my BP, please, can you please check my BP? So how to check a BP? You'll play the game, you'll be able to know how to perform the BP task, how to perform a BP on a normal patient. So step by step you'll be able to play and see how things are being done. And then if you can start a mini game, Sarthak? Blood pressure? Yeah. So what step-by-step things are being taking place in the game will be explained by Atul. Atul, could you please?
What happens is you go inside the hospital, there will be different kinds of games. So once I click on it, so the game will start off here after take So in the starting there will be like game controls, right? You will firstly come to know how exactly you have to control the mouse and keyboard so that you can perform. Once it starts, you will click on it. This is the patient, this is the guy right here, and this is the narrator here. He will be step by step guiding you each and every step to what exactly you have to do. Now before starting off, here you can see you have to adjust the cuff here before starting off. So they are asking you where exactly you have to adjust the cuff. That will be like 2.4. Hold on. If you click on something wrong, so it will tell you that something wrong is filling up. You have to adjust it on 2.4 centimeter. Once that is done, now here that the circle is rotating, you have to click when it's green. If you do it wrong, it will not perform, it will not go ahead. Yeah, correct, you got 3 points for that. Once that is done, now it will apply on that part. Yeah, you can see that. Now you have to inflate the bulb out there. You will left click on the mouse. It will start to inflate and it is telling you read around 200 marks. Now you have to scroll the mouse wheel, so it will release the bulb out there.
Basically, when you release the mercury while taking the BP, so that's what you are actually doing in this over here.
Now what happens is it's randomly generating some random systolic and diastolic pressure here, and you have to guess whether it is normal. It's asking here elevated BP down here diagnosis, is it normal or not? So the player here has to guess it whether it is correct or not. So if he tell us no, it's not proper, it's not normal, so your target here is completed, the BP game has been completed. And after each and every game, there will be a big, summary of the whole scenario. Here, what exactly you did and what was things has to be performed. You can quit that.
So yeah, so in this game, while performing a task, you know evaluating the blood pressure of the patient. What you learn is how to tie up the cuff. How to tie the cuff on the patient, and what exact position you have to tie the cuff actually, and what are the normal ranges of the systolic BP and the diastolic BP in a normal adult. So if your patient, we will put this in this game also, if the patient is a kid, for example, say for instance, then the normal range of this systolic BP and the diastolic BP gonna be different. So each time you will play the game, you will move on with the game, you will get the different feeling with it, And then similar to the BP, we have other games also, like we have this series of games divided into two basic categories, like patient management. Patient management is like evaluating the blood pressure or managing some surgery skills on the patient, and then we have a drug management. So what is drug management? For example, if you have passing through, for example, some trauma or some disease, and then you are being told to take a normal drug. For example, in any case like aspirin, in a case of MI, if anybody has got a heart attack, and then you are being asked to take the MI, so aspirin. So what does this aspirin tablet is doing inside your body? You can do that also. You can see and you can play, and you can play. In that case, you will play as a drug. In case of patient management, you are playing as a doctor, and in case of drug management, you will play as a drug. So while playing as a drug, you can cure the patient inside its body. So we have that part also. So if we can play the aspirin game.
Just like these procedures, we have highly complicated to easy part. Just like that, we have game based on drug mechanism, what it does inside the body. Right now, my friend will start off with a game on how a drug molecule reacts inside a body. If you have taken an aspirin drug, what it does inside the body, it will just show you. Yeah, aspirin drug.
So in a normal condition, what happens in the patient body is that its blood veins already has clots. So he is having difficulty with the heart. The clots are already there. His BP is always high, and there are clots in the blood veins. Being an aspirin molecule, you have to stop these clots to grow even further. So that's what basically aspirin does. We will introduce everything. I just told you. You will be able to read all these things in the game, and then step by step how you will be able to control this. The growth of the clot inside the body. Then that you will be able to see in the game.
So we will start off with the game and you can just click on it. You will see the how you will control the aspirin drug molecule here and what is the scenario exactly. So you will firstly in the game you will see the health menu that this is the health bar. These are the clots that will be sticking inside the vessels out there, and this is the aspirin molecule that you will be controlling by your keyboard and mouse. That you will be taking a part of the aspirin molecule. This is the progress and how the game will progress, and these are the platelets that will be sticking to your blood vessel.
See, actually, in normal body, platelets are a good thing, but in case of the myocardial infarction, that is MI, हार्ट अटैक की कंडीशन में प्लेटलेट्स जो है ना दुश्मन बन जाती हैं. दे बिकम द एनिमी ऑफ दैट पेशेंट. वो क्या करती हैं, इन क्लॉट पे जाके चिपकती रहती हैं. तो क्लॉट अगर इतना सा है तो वो चिपक के उसको बढ़ा देती हैं, जिससे क्या होता है, ब्लड का जो सर्कुलेशन होता है वो एकदम टाइट हो जाता है. तो वो ब्लड सर्कुलेट हो नहीं पाता, इसलिए हार्ट अटैक की कंडीशन एकदम ज़्यादा हो जाती है. तो वो एस्पिरिन कंट्रोल करती है, प्लेटलेट्स को क्लॉट पे चिपकने से रोकती है. वही हमारा गेम प्ले है. यू विल बी एबल टू सी दिस होल एनवायरनमेंट इज अ ब्लड वेन ऑफ द पेशेंट.
So you can see this is the whole environment we have, and in that the player is controlling the aspirin molecule.
Yeah.
He is shooting all the drugs here, so that those platelets will not attach to the all the blood blood vessel. And step by step you can see, yeah. Once you shoot on it, it will go back. Here you can see that fibrinogen is also getting stuck to it, but once you shoot on those, it won't get stuck. You have to control that through your mouse and keyboard. And you have to shoot it with your mouse, and you have to control it through A and D buttons through the keyboard.
Health and progress.
And this is the health bar. Here is the patient's health that you can see is
It's depleting.
Deplete once he is not able to survive, once he is not able to play, and the platelets getting stuck. Here is the progress that is being displayed.
As soon as you are killing up the platelets and you are just defending the patient before the platelet gets stuck to the clot and increase the size of the clot, that is how the progress demonstrate itself in the game. So एक प्रोसीजर है ट्रैकियोस्टोमी. उसमें क्या है, पेशेंट के गले में कुछ अटक गया. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग. बच्चे क्या करते हैं, कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा सिक्का निगल लेते हैं, और कभी कभी ऐसा केसेस होता है कि अटक जाता है. सो दे आर नॉट एबल टू ब्रीथ. यहाँ पे वो पूरा ब्रीदिंग सिस्टम एकदम वो हो जाता है. तो एक आर्टिफिशियल ब्रीदिंग सिस्टम बनाया जाता है ट्रैकियोस्टोमी प्रोसीजर के थ्रू. वो प्रोसीजर कैसे किया जाता है?
In the starting, you again, just like other games, you can see the controls, how exactly, what are the challenges you will be facing in the game. You can see through the controls. Every time through that I button is there. Once you click on, you can check it out. Here the narrator is again guiding you. Left click and drag it through the mouse only, so that you can adjust over. Same way you can see in each game we will have the quiz also. They will be asking you set of questions that you have to perform before starting off with the next step. Or they were asking you what are the solutions that you have to apply. So the player has selected it. Now it's applying those solutions step by step. What exactly you have to apply on the neck
before cutting up the skin of the patient. You have to sterilize the patient's skin, the area.
Now anesthetize the region. Before starting off, you have to anesthetize the region. So you can see there are the colors that are changing on, and once it comes on green, you have to left click on that proper timing. Yeah, left click on that and the proper timing, so it will.
So basically this is how we have put up the challenge in the game. So they are changing the color, so it's kind of challenge for you. So you have to be very time specific. So when it turns green, you have to click. When it's this happening, so you have to do that.
Yeah. Are given just to engage the player, so that they can engage in the whole procedure as well. Now here is the radar, and you have to select exactly from where you have to give the incision. So you have to select the correct one. Suppose select the wrong one. They are asking now select the correct blade for starting an incision. You have selected 11, that is a wrong blade. If you select blade number 15, that is the correct one. Now you have selected blade number 15, you have to cut the skin region first. Yeah, left click on it very slow and steadily with the mouse. You have to give an incision.
Actually यही 15 नंबर का ब्लेड रियल लाइफ में भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. So जो सर्जन्स थे उनके ही थ्रू हमने कोलैबोरेट करके गेम बनाया हुआ है. So it is very very important for you guys to know, before actually studying it. If you play the game, you will be able to guess the things when you actually study it in the book.
Once the facial layer has been
स्किन लेयर आया, फिर उसके अंदर फैट लेयर आया, अब ये मसल लेयर आया, अब आप उसको रिट्रैक्टर से फिर से वो कर रहे हो अंदर कैविटी तक पहुंचने के लिए. Now we have this. What is this?
Make sure very slow या
What is this?
ट्रैकियल फाइबर लेयर काट रहा है तो आपको
Yes.
बहुत स्लोली काटना है. अगर आप माउस भी हिलाएंगे तो आप पेशेंट की हेल्थ थोड़ी डिप्लीट कर जाएगी. तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज. इट्स लेस लाइक अ सिमुलेशन. एकदम एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही करना है. नाउ पूछ रहे हैं आपसे कि मॉस्किटो फोर्सेप सेलेक्ट करनी है. इनमें से कौन सी है? इन्होंने करेक्ट वर्ड सेलेक्ट किया. अब डायसेक्ट करना है और उसके
अब ये ट्रैकियल लेयर आ गई जहाँ पे वो पूरे बोन्स रहती
which
हैं.
region incision has to be given between second and third, pretracheal between fourth and fifth. That is the correct one.
चौथे से पाँचवें के बीच में हमें हॉरिजॉन्टल कट मारना होगा. दैट इज़ द करेक्ट पोजीशन इन केस ऑफ ट्रेकियोस्टोमी.
Again, you have to give a small nick out here. Exactly.
पूरा
You got
हमारा
2 points for that. और आप गलत करते हो तो कम स्कोर भी आपको मिलते हैं. तो आप टू मेक श्योर आप सही करें. नाउ आप पूछ रहे डू यू वांट टू डू सक्शन आउट देयर. अब आपने काटा है तो सक्शन करना है वो पूछ रहे हैं क्योंकि वहाँ बहुत कुछ फंसा रहता है आपकी श्वास नली में, यहाँ पे विंड पाइप है. Insert the suction pipe. Whatever mucus or clot is out there, it's coming out through the wood.
Yeah.
Through that. Now insert the tracheostomy. You have to left click and drag it the mouse out here. You will apply the tracheostomy at that point. Once that is done, left click on that dot. It will take the inner cannula out of it. Now what happens is you have to give the vacuum through that into the vein. You can see here it is getting rigid. अंदर जाके वो फंस रहा है so that पूरी चीज आपकी बेल्ट सेट हो जाए एक जगह पे. Yeah. This is the procedure, Budur. So this is what includes here, and this is the whole assembly. Just like in any other, I showed you before. पूरी tracheostomy की एक procedure level 1 की आपको show करते हैं, so that आप फिर से इसको revise करके आप देख सकें.
So basically you can read this out and you can take the print also of this, study it later on. So anybody who is interested in playing or volunteer, just I need some volunteers who can come up and play the game. Don't be shy, please. Okay. Make yourself comfortable.
So we are wishing you all the best for your session, but अगर आप लोगों के साथ में अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ लोग अगर नीट क्वालिफाई करने के बावजूद भी अगर अच्छे कॉलेज इंडिया में नहीं पा सकते, मतलब
लाइब्रेरी,
किसी भी लाइब्रेरी चाहे फंडिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हो, बहुत लोगों को कॉलेज आने के बाद आपके घर का बजट पूर्ण हो 70 लाख 80 लाख, उस कंडीशन में आप लोग अमेरिकन यूनिवर्सिटी बारबेडोस के बारे में सोच सकते हैं, जो कि एरा लखनऊ मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी का ही दूसरा कॉलेज है. इट इज़ इन बारबेडोस. ठीक है, 5.5 ईयर का हमारा पूरा प्रोग्राम है. ठीक है, इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से 1.5 ईयर आप इंडिया में भी स्टडी कर सकते हैं. इंडिया यानी हमारे यहाँ लखनऊ में ही एरा मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी जो कि लखनऊ में ही है, सरफराजगंज. ठीक है, बाकी के 4 ईयर्स के लिए आपको आउटसाइड जाना होगा, जैसा है. तो पहले तो आप लोग नीट की पूरी अपने जितने भी आप लोगों से हो सके पूरी 100% तैयारी करो और अपना 100% किसी भी अनएक्सपेक्टेड रीज़न या अनफॉर्चुनेटली अगर आप लोगों में से कोई भी XYZ आपको इंडिया में चांस नहीं मिलता तो डोंट बी एम्बैरेस. अगले साल तैयारी करने से बेहतर आप पहले एक बार सोच लो कि टाइम बहुत आगे बढ़ चुका है. मेडिकल कॉलेज सिर्फ वो नहीं है कि इंडिया में है, तो जो टेक्नोलॉजी है
वेट कर दो बाद में,
वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. We are using the latest advanced technology. The best part is that we are having we have converted even our whole session in animated lectures. आपको किसी भी लेक्चर के लिए सिर्फ किताब खोल के देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं. ठीक है, तो वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. ये सारी एजुकेशन मेथोडोलॉजी भी हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं अपने डॉक्टर्स को एक एक्चुअली डॉक्टर बनाने में. वी आर नॉट ओनली गिविंग द डिग्रीज एंड ऑल. ओके, तो अगर आप लोगों को नीट में ऐसा नहीं होता, एवरीवन जस्ट सेव माई नंबर इन केस ऑफ एनी काइंड ऑफ क्वेरी. अगर बाद में कभी भी करियर काउंसलिंग या एडमिशन से रिलेटेड हो, आप सेव कर सकते हैं. माई नंबर इज 88. इसको सेव कर लीजिए. नीट के बाद आप लोगों को आप लोगों में से किसी को भी मेरे इस नंबर की जरूरत पड़ेगी. इट इज 88 534 266 20. एक बार फिर बोल रहा हूँ, 88 534 266 20. ओके, मेरा नाम अविनाश है, अविनाश दे. यू कैन सेव माई नंबर विद दैट. ठीक है, और बाकी आप लोगों में से अब मैं चाहूँगा कि कम से कम कोई 1 या 2 कोई आके एक बार थोड़ा देख ले एक्चुअली क्या होता है.